Namaste everyone. A big hello to all of you. I hope you're liking my content. I hope you get something of interest. You can also put in your request the kind of videos you want to see or any product review, anything. I'll try to cover up those things. Other than that, today, there's something I wanted to make. I suddenly there's of course because of this, of course, whatever we all are in a lockdown, and then all these corona news coming. In the between of that, we suddenly were hearing about the China, obviously there was a Galwan fight. We lost a lot of soldiers, so that was a very very disheartening moment. So which I saw it on news, and suddenly there was a anti-China campaigns, which I personally feel that I'm not against any country, but I personally feel, why don't we talk enough about our own products? Why a country of 1.35 billion people can't make our own products or promote our own products? So today my video title also says
It's to be local for vocal.
sorry it's time to be vocal for your local products. So today I have just taken bath, and I was planning to do my skincare range, and I have to admit that I actually almost shifted to all Indian brands, and I was really proud of myself. So much efforts are being made everywhere, like so many people are really working on getting good skincare brand, good quality, putting them the Indian ingredients which our nadis and nanis have been talking about all their lives. And of course that has benefited us the most in times of corona. Also, you must have noticed that our immunity is everything, and why our Indian immunity is better than other immunities, because of the ingredients in our food. So why not utilize these products? And I'm proud that so many of the skincare brands, so many new brands, Indian skin brands, are really working on the goods from the Indian kitchen and Indian herbs and plants, and getting the best products. So let's get in the video. So I am actually just planning to do my skincare, and I thought I'll do it in front of you, and I'll talk about every product. Okay, most of the product you must have heard of it. I have already made separate videos on different beauty range, and I actually use a mix of those products during the different times of the year, or different however I feel my skin feels too dry, or my skin feels sweaty, so I change my products accordingly. So let's start with it. So I have washed my face. The face wash I use is this Mamaearth Upton face wash. Okay, this is great. It has with turmeric and saffron for tan removal. It says it is paraben and SLS free. It is dermatologically tested and suits all skin types. Okay, I am a dry skin type, but suits perfectly on me, and it keeps my acne really away. I have been using McAfee face washes. They were also excellent, but I bought this. I made a separate video that how did I take care of my acne, because I personally never had acne all my life, even not in my teens. So when it all started to have, I was looking for a solution. I was planning to go to a doctor, and suddenly my the blogger mind went here and there, and I started searching, and I just came across this product. These Mama products were already quite hit by then, so I just got a range, and I bought mini packs of it, and I started using it. And I have to tell you, since then my acne is gone. And whenever I come back, it's not that it doesn't come back. Whenever I have my periods coming in, or whenever I have hormonal changes, I do notice some acne coming around my mouth or nose area, and I know I have to switch to this product. So Mamaearth, very good product, very proud of it. Amazing. When you clean it, it's not very soft. You do feel that when you clean it, it does feel clean. Okay, you have to use very little. It has some amazing Indian old age formulas like turmeric and saffron, which actually keeps all the pimples away, which keeps the skin clean, which also kind of heals whatever harm the skin has gone through. So it's time we have to be vocal about our own skin range. So after that, I came one product I normally use a toner, but suddenly I noticed, because I'm using this product, a serum which already has a toning properties. It has green tea and all. So I was actually skipping my toning part, but there's one product I came across, and it has a different kind of benefits, and it is this Wow skincare product. So it's Wow skincare range. The toner I'm using is this Coconut Super Rich Facial Toner. It helps refine pores, hydrate and tone skin. It has coconut water, cucumber fruit water, green tea and witch hazel extract. It is 100% alcohol free and dermatologically tested. No paraben, no sulfates, no silicones. It is a big bottle. It is retails for 349 rupees, so great price. Okay, and this is like almost like a facial mist. Imagine the kind of product it has. If you want coconut water spraying on your face, you will feel so refreshed. Even if you don't want to put toner every day, use it when you're traveling. Okay, use it. So I don't use it like every day, but like I have washed my face sometime before, and I normally don't put the everything together. My face has to be semi wet when I start doing my skincare routine. So now my face is really dry because I wanted to shoot this video. So this is a must before I apply my goes to my serum. So that's how I apply it. It's like you have to keep it at distance, and smells so nice and smells very natural. There's no perfume kind of smell. It has that little coconut smell going on, and whatever flowers it has. So amazing. So do try this. Again, a big kudos to this brand, working really hard, very inexpensive, good products, very natural ingredients. So it's time to be again another good Indian skincare brand. It's high time we all talk about it. Now here comes my serum. Okay, face serum is very important because वो ही आपकी skin repair और जो collagen production, और because I'm almost in my mid-30s, so this is something that I have to start using. It is a green tea face serum from M Caffeine. इसके benefits आपको पता है. अगर आप regular skincare routine follow करते हैं तो you know that this is very important. It's almost you can apply it twice a day, but it's most important when you apply it during the night because then it shows the maximum benefit. But I also apply it during the day because this is so light and nice on my skin. This is green tea based face serum. Again, a great brand. M Caffeine has already stolen my heart with other skincare range, and it's time that I also talk about it. So just one drop. That's how it's supposed to be. Okay, don't think that's too like watery or something. That's how it's supposed to be, because the thinnest the very water like things actually goes deeper into your skin and shows the maximum benefits. So now the next product is great product. I will not say that I just use this. I actually use it during my acne time. I've already spoken about it. This is an oil-free face moisturizer with apple cider vinegar. This is also amazing. Takes care of my acne so well, removes all the marks. And this is actually my so these what you see is actually just the, I don't know, this is not acne. This is my freckles which I'm born with, and this is also some birthmark. Other than that, all the acne marks are almost gone because I use it, and it shows amazing results. So I'm applying in front of you a little bit of it. Again, lot of credit goes to this brand. So the lip balm I've used is this Fab India Plum Passion. This is, again, I have spoken about it. I have made a lot of videos. I've shown you that always apply it before my makeup. It has a little bit of tint but not too much color. Keeps my lips really hydrated, soft, and kind of get absorbed in a while. So I think it's time we talk about it, and let's promote our brands, be vocal for our local brands. And there's one more brand I want to talk about, which we all know. It's an Indian. It has done some great job. It is doing great in beauty industry, also in weight loss. They have done some great work in weight loss journeys of a lot of women. So this is a VLCC product. So what I have started using is this VLCC body moisturizer. It is so good. It says it's VLCC Natural Sciences Youth Boost Body Lotion. Reduces wrinkles and fine lines, gives smooth radiant skin, restores skin elasticity, is paraben free. It has almond oil, ginseng, and SPF 25 plus shea butter. So that's what we need for a moisturizer. And the basic of a body moisturizer is that you have to do it daily. You have to apply it daily. So somebody who applies it on daily basis, so it you'll see the benefits. You don't have to say that, oh, I applied it, I didn't feel any difference. Whatever product you use, just use it daily. It will always benefit in future. I learned it around 15 years back. I was 20 when I started doing it, and my mom used to say garmi mein bhi lotion lagati hai, but I found my summer alternative, and I realized that today I just feel too good. My skin is good. I feel good. I can't tell you that my skin is glowing. Of course my skin, I am what I am, but personally, I've never had problems. I never had any itching issues or anything. And even if it comes, I know I just put my body lotion. Also want to appreciate the VLCC for introducing such good skincare range, and it's time we all start using it. There are amazing Indian brands. There is Kaya. There is also McAfee, of course, I'll talk about. There is Lotus products. There is Shehnaz Hussain product. I have used Shehnaz Hussain Chamoist cream for almost 3-4 years. It was my favorite because when I used to fly, as I was flying earlier, so you know, when I used to go to extreme cold temperatures, those used to work so amazing. It was thick and it was so moisturizing. And you know one thing, Vaseline and Nivea are the most applied body lotion and available in the market, but you know, both of them are not Indian products. And why I'm saying this, that we have spoken so much about it, we see so much on TV that we almost feel that they are Indian brands. No, they are actually I just researched it, and Vaseline is actually an American brand. They are run by Unilever, and the Nivea is actually a Dutch brand. So they both are very, very from different countries, and just that we have marketed and used it so well. We have used it, and you know, we kind of promote it also, and everybody like, Mama, Vaseline, and why don't we talk about our own brand and start using some good skincare range which is affordable, which has great good skincare ingredients. You know what better you need than almond oil and shea butter in your moisturizer. So I'm pretty satisfied. Next time you want to gift somebody a nice body lotion, or your family is coming, you know, we end up going to Body Shop, why don't we buy our own good ingredients, skincare Indian products, and we gift it to them? Fab India is great, even they are doing a fab job. So I think that was my whole idea of making this video, that we have to talk about it. Without talking about it, without letting people know, it's, you know, it's not gonna go very far. So thanks very much for watching this video. Do show some love and do share your good brand. Do let me know which skin brand you think has great potential and doing great. I hope you're getting my point. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Lots of love from my side. Take care and press that red button. You'll get a notification regarding my next video. And people who have not seen this face for the first time, do check my other videos. You'll find something interesting for yourself. And take care. Bye bye.